Practice your weight changes with this advanced beginner tap combo to the song Wait For It, and make sure you stick around to the end to find out how to get the music and the written notes all for free. Before we jump in, let's take a look. Well, there you have it. If you're new here, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com. Let's break this down. Starting with the right foot, you have touch, touch, right buffalo, grapevine, touch, touch. I'm going to roll that again. Starting with the right foot, touch, touch, right buffalo, grapevine, and touch, touch. So right away, we're getting those weight changes. Touches bear no weight. The buffalo is going to get all your weight, as does the grapevine. So again, we have touch, touch, no weight. Buffalo, yes weight. Grapevine, that's just 2 steps. We're crossing with weight. And then touch, touch, no weight on the touch. An easy way to make sure you always have your weight in the right place for touches is just to bounce them up, up. If they're up in the air, you can't put your weight on them. Cool. Top with counts. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 6, 7, 8 again, and 6, and 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 6, 7, 8. From there you have stamp, stamp, Irish, dig, dig toe, step, stamp. I'm going to show that all again. So we're starting with our right foot's free, stamp, stamp, Irish, cross back. Our weight is on that back foot, then dig with no weight, dig toe with weight, step, stamp. So that last part, dig, dig, toe, step, stamp. So I don't put my weight on that first dig. I'm using that bounce principle. Bounce, then I put my weight on it, and out I go on this stamp. Cool, let's do that new part, stamp, stamp, Irish. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. Beautiful. One more time. 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. Now let's connect it back from top. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. Woo! After the grapevine touch, touch, you have to be ready to stamp right down on that. We're going to do it again, though, so you get the hang of it. 6, top, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 8. Let's do that one more time, and then we'll go on. 6, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 8. From here, drag, step, touch, step, step, shuffle, ball change, chug. I'm going to do that again. 6, 7, and drag, step, touch, and step, step, shuffle, ball change, and chug. I'm doing arms for fun. I just like to do them. You don't have to do them, but if you want to follow along, go ahead. I'm going to do it again from that drag. 6, 7, 8. 1, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Cool. That's coming out of stamp, stamp, Irish, dig, dig, toe, step, stamp, into drag. Step, touch, step, step, shuffle, ball change, and chug. That's how that flow is going to go. Let's practice connecting it from stamp, stamp, and Irish. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. 1, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Beautiful. Let's go top through everything we know so far. See how it goes. 6, 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. 1, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Why, yes, we shall do that again. Same thing. 6, 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. 1, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. From there, step, clap, touch, right foot, cramp, roll, drag, and that is going to be the hardest part. I'm going to tell you right now. We'll go over it slow and make sure it's solid, but that cramp, roll, drag is a little bit tricky. Getting into that, we did step, clap, step. I do that again. 6, 7, 8. Step, clap, step, clap, step. I'm crossing in front, you cross in front and back, or back, whatever works for you. And then after that step, clap, that's a touch on that right foot. I'm picking it up. Right foot, cramp roll, drag. So during the cramp roll, this is the secret. During the cramp roll, think about stepping behind you. Because if you wait till the cramp roll's done and then you're like, I need to step behind me, you already missed it. Because it's right away. So that last part, right foot, cramp roll, drag. So I'm just stepping behind and letting that other foot, that left foot, drag on the outside of the tap. And you can stylize it however you like. Yeah? Let's just do the cramp roll drag. Ready, go. Right foot, cramp roll, drag. I'm gonna do that again. 6, ready, go. Right foot, cramp roll, drag. And it's not a huge drag. You're not gonna go super far. Just get a little bit of drag on there and you're good. All right, let's connect it from step, clap, touch. Right foot, cramp roll, drag. We'll put that all together. 6, ready, go. Step, clap, touch. Right foot, cramp roll, drag. Again, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. One more time. 6, ready, go. 1 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Beautiful. Now we're going to connect it from top and see how you do. 6, I'm right here with you. I got your back. 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. 1 and 3, 4, 5 and 6. New part now. 1 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Let's talk about the transition into the last part because that's probably where you had trouble. So you were coming out of drag, step, touch, step, shuffle, ball change, chug into step, clap, touch. That's the transition we want to work on. So we're going to go from the drag, step, touch, step. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. New part. 1 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. I'll roll that one more time, same spot. 6, drag, 6, ready, go. 1 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. 8, 1 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Wonderful, my friends. Let's go back top and connect it together. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. 1 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Yeah, so the individual footwork is not tricky. We have like basic cramp rolls and buffaloes and drags. It's getting all those weight changes. Anytime it's a touch, we're bouncing it, or that first dig, we're bouncing it, and then afterward putting our weight into it. Let's roll it again. If you're having trouble with the weight changes, that's the whole point. It should be a little bit tricky at first. You should kind of have to think about it. So you're kind of training your body to be able to adjust to any kind of weight change in any order. That's what we're aiming for. Let's roll it again. Top, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. 1 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Beautiful. One more time, and we'll see how it goes. 6, 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. 1 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. If you're having a great time, you're going to love our lifetime all-access pass from UnitedTaps.com. You'll get the extended version of this combination, plus lessons and combinations and choreography and a huge tap dictionary and a ton more content to keep you tapping for years to come. To find out more, just click on the link down in the description below. All right, let's run this with music. The song is called Wait For It, and we're coming in at 3 minutes and 19 seconds into the song. We'll start under tempo and work our way up. Let's give this a shot, my friends. All right, 10% under.
There wasn't one but two.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, beautiful. We're gonna roll that again. Here we go, same thing.
There wasn't one but two.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. Let's speed it up now to minus 5%. A 5% jump, enough to feel the difference, but hopefully not throw you off. Here we go, my friends. Give it a shot.
There wasn't one but two.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hey! Beautiful. Let's roll it again. Minus 5.
There wasn't one but two.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hey! All right, let's turn it up real speed. It's a full deal. Good luck. Let's do it. Real speed.
There wasn't one but two.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nice. It's fun. That's an upbeat song. I like it. Let's roll that again. Real speed.
There wasn't one but two.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hey! All right, here's the moment. I'm going to give you a chance to do it on your own so you can hear your own feet and see if you know it all by yourself. I'll be here cheering you on the whole time. You can do it. Let's give it a shot. You got it.
There wasn't one but two.
5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. I hope it went well. If not, no worries. It's much harder to do it all by yourself. I'm going to do it one more time with you, so we'll do this last run together. I hope it's your best and you have the most fun. Let's do it, my friends.
There wasn't one but two.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Thank you so much for tapping with me. If you want to get the music and the written notes all for free, just click on the link down below in the description. Down there, you can also find out information about our lifetime all-access pass. Thank you so much for tapping with me. I, of course, am Rod Howell from UnitedTaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.